The VEVOR Utility Pump 360 gallons per hour offers impressive efficiency with its ability to transfer large volumes of water quickly, making it an essential tool for various water management tasks. Its flat base design ensures stability and reduces noise during operation, which enhances the overall user experience by preventing slipping or tipping. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, this pump is both lightweight and corrosion resistant, providing long-lasting performance in different environments. The comprehensive water hose kit includes all necessary components such as a suction hose, strainer, impeller, and carbon brushes, ensuring you have everything needed for effective water removal. It is important to follow the usage instructions carefully, such as priming the impeller with water before starting and avoiding operation in water containing large particles. This pump is ideal for short-term use and can handle a variety of tasks, such as draining aquariums or small pools, but it should not be run continuously for more than 2 hours.